Hey guys, it is me again, and yes, I say me again because I won prize number 18 in the Yachty 10K giveaway, and now I am the lucky winner of prize number 39. So let's do some unpacking with me. So we're not unboxing today, we're unpacking, okay? First from the box is a wireless earbuds, and this is it. Actually took it out of the box, as you can see. So it's a one wireless earbud. It's the first one because we have quite a number of items to go through, so stay with me. Item number two, I got two of these, and these are some gaming controllers. I'm going to take it out of the package so you guys can see it better. Prize number three is a pair of white Crocs. And yes, guys, this is my size. A pair of white Crocs. There we go, a pair of white Crocs. Next up is my personal favorite, and it is a rechargeable lighter. Now let me show you how this baby works. So here we go. So this is a rechargeable lighter. And I got three of this kind. So I got three rechargeable lighters. I've also received a LED light displaying right here. Yeah. And the last but certainly not least, I have received a watch. And it's a male's watch. I'm going to show you how it looks. So also received a nice, cute nail watch. Thank you for being the most reliable, efficient, and fast shipping company. And you guys, the 60 days is almost upon us, you know. Get your 3 referrals and join in the fun. Bye.
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.